Skincare isn't just about vanity, it's about self-care. Skincare encompasses practices, products, and habits that prioritize the health and appearance of our skin. While our skin has inherent abilities to regenerate and protect itself, the demands of our modern world often require us to provide it with extra support through a consistent skincare routine. Skincare encompasses the care of all skin on our body, not just the face. While facial skincare is often in the spotlight, it's equally important to extend our skincare routines to other areas. Now, let's dive into the steps of the daily skincare routine for glowing skin. Step 1. Cleansing. Cleansing is essential for removing dirt, impurities, and excess oil that can clog your pores and dull your complexion. Look for a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Remember to be gentle and never tug or pull at your skin. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Step 2. Toning. Toning helps restore the skin's pH balance and prepares it for better absorption of the following skincare products. Choose a toner that suits your skin type and concerns. This can help reduce the appearance of pores and hydrate your skin. Step 3. Serum. Serums are concentrated formulations packed with active ingredients that target specific skin concerns. Find a serum that addresses your specific needs, whether it's brightening, hydration, or even anti-aging. Step 4. Moisturizing. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Moisturizers help lock in moisture and provide nourishment to your skin. Again, look for a moisturizer suitable for your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. And remember, don't forget your neck. Step 5. Sunscreen. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is crucial for maintaining a healthy and glowing complexion. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply throughout the day, especially if you're spending time outdoors. That's the simple 5-step daily skincare routine to get you that glowing skin. However, remember that achieving and maintaining healthy skin goes beyond skincare routines. Our diet and lifestyle habits play a significant role in skin health. By adopting a balanced diet, staying hydrated, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and avoiding harmful habits, we can enhance our skin health from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, take care of your health and make informed choices. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.